Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the top 5 RV door lock replacements, the best upgrades to boost your RV security and convenience. Whether you're tired of fumbling for keys or just want a sturdier keyless option, we've got some fantastic choices for every budget and need. Stick around to find out which locks are worth the investment for your next adventure. Let's get started. At number 5, the Lippert keyless RV door lock, easy to install and provides convenient keyless entry, making it a great option for RV owners. It integrates well with glass entry doors, unlike some competitors. While Bluetooth functionality allows for unlocking from a distance, it has a slight delay, which can require some patience. The keypad offers quick access, although code options are limited, and the app has room for improvement. Despite these minor drawbacks, it's a valuable upgrade, especially for hands-free access when your hands are full. At number 4, the LATCH.IT RV door lock replacement, easy to install and a reliable upgrade for RVs, fitting perfectly even on older models. It replaced an original lock with a broken sliding mechanism, and with only one key required, it's more convenient than before. Installation takes under 15 minutes, and it operates smoothly with solid durability, holding up well over time. At number 3, the Onis RV door lock replacement offers sturdy, all-metal construction and is straightforward to install, typically taking about 20 minutes. It fits well on most newer trailers, enhancing convenience with easy keyless entry, perfect for accessing your camper with full hands. While programming the key fob could be clearer, customer service is highly responsive and helpful. Some users may find the beeps quiet and the key fobs large, but overall, it's an affordable, reliable lock solution with good functionality for long-term campers. At number 2, the Kohree RV door lock replacement, an all-metal, heavy-duty upgrade that installs easily and ensures smooth latch and deadbolt operation. Unlike many original locks, it's built to last, and users notice improved ease when opening and closing their door. While the key can be a bit stiff to turn, the overall quality and fit are exceptional, making it a better, more affordable option than many store-bought locks. Highly recommended for a reliable and secure RV lock replacement. At number 1, the RVLOCK RV door lock replacement is an easy-to-install, keyless entry system that offers multiple access options: a keypad, a key fob, or a traditional key. Installation takes just 10-15 minutes, and it provides clear voice confirmation during programming, making setup a breeze. The lock works seamlessly, and it's much more secure than the original lock on many travel trailers. While the plastic interior deadbolt lever could use more stability, this doesn't affect the lock's functionality. Overall, it's a highly recommended upgrade for anyone looking to avoid the hassle of keys and enhance their RV's security. Thanks for watching. We hope this rundown of the top 5 RV door lock replacements helped you find the perfect upgrade for your RV. If you found this video useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tips on RV accessories and upgrades. Let us know in the comments which lock you're leaning toward, or if you have any favorites we should check out. Safe travels, and see you in the next video.